Craving for something sweet but not the extra sugar? Picture a rich, fudgy chocolate peanut butter mug cake made in just 5 minutes. No oven, no guilt. And I'll show you how to make a simple and delicious peanut butter drizzle that takes it over the top. Let's get into it. First, grab your favorite mug. Then, we're going to throw together our dry ingredients. 3 tablespoons cake flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, and since this recipe is sugar-free, we're going to substitute sugar with some granulated stevia for sweetness. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, and then here's the twist. We're going to use peanut butter powder for this recipe. This contains less calories than creamy peanut butter. It's easier to mix with the other ingredients, and it adds that nutty, warm flavor without all the heaviness. Just give the dry ingredients a quick whisk to combine. Now we'll bring in the magic. 1/4 tablespoon melted butter plus 1/4 tablespoon vegetable oil. Add a splash of vanilla extract and then the almond milk. Whisk together the wet and dry ingredients until it's smooth. Don't go wild here, seriously. Overmixing turns your cake into a sponge, and not the good kind. Lightly grease your ramekin or mug with cooking spray. It's easy cleanup. Smooth the top of the batter just a little bit, and then tidy up the sides of the mug or the ramekin. No bowls to clean, no oven to preheat, just straight into the microwave. Microwave it for 1 minute and 15 seconds. If your microwave runs a little weak, just like mine, this is just 700 watts. Go up to 1 minute 18 seconds. You want it fluffy and set, not dry or overdone. Now we'll proceed with our peanut butter drizzle. In a small bowl or measuring cup, combine peanut butter powder and a little stevia confectioner's sugar on a 1:1 ratio. Mix those first, then slowly add almond milk until it turns into a creamy drizzle. Less liquid equals thicker, more frosting-like consistency. A warm, slightly set cake soaks up drizzle like a sponge. Pour that golden peanut butter goodness right over the top and add some sprinkles. And just like that, you've got a healthy, sugar-free, fudgy, protein-packed chocolate peanut butter mug cake made in minutes. No oven, no drama, and zero guilt. Midnight snack? This mug cake is perfect. If you made it this far, you're awesome. Drop a comment and let me know what topping you'd add. Is it mini chocolate chips, a banana slice perhaps? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're vibing with these quick, crave-worthy desserts. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Enjoy!